All right, guys, so we're talking about convection currents. We are moving past the transfer of heat energy that we've been talking about with convection, conduction, and radiation. And we're going to move into an area where the sun, we're going to talk about how the sun causes convection currents on planet Earth. We're going to talk about how winds are affected. We're going to talk about the fact that wind comes from convection. We're going to talk about how water, different temperatures of water, cause currents in the ocean that stay pretty consistent. We're actually going to watch a video at one point talking about how there was a ship that was containing rubber ducks or something that went down in the middle of the ocean, and those ducks ended up all over the world, which kind of led to the belief that there were convection currents that stayed consistent and that would shift things everywhere. So we're going to talk about a lot of those things. The essential questions that we're going to talk about are, how does the sun's energy drive convection within the atmosphere and oceans, producing winds and ocean currents? Remember that fluids are not only water, because when we think of fluid, we think of liquid, but gases are fluids as well, and air is a gas. So when you talk about wind, wind is affected by convection because it is a fluid that is moved because of hotter and cooler temperatures. So convection currents is heat energy transfer between two parts of a fluid of different temperatures. Our first line of our notes there under convection currents, the first word there that we're going to put in is heat energy. Heat energy transfer between two parts of a fluid of different temperatures. Hot water, hot air, cold air, hot milk, cold milk, whatever. It is when hot fluids rise and cold fluids sink. We're just talking about the definition of convection, what it is. It occurs in the atmosphere. You can see there at that top picture there. In the atmosphere, convection currents happen. In the oceans, right? These little arrows kind of are going to show us where convection currents happen in the ocean between colder and warmer waters. It occurs in planetary mantles. This is like the Earth's crust up here, and this would be the core down at the bottom. And as convection happens, it causes volcanoes, it causes movement of tectonic plates, all kinds of things. And then all three of these are super, super massive, but convection also occurs in your can of chicken noodle soup. That's another place that things like that happen. So we're going to move into a time where we're going to put something in our interactive notebook. Remember when we cut out our stuff, there are some very specific places that we're going to put it and do that. So I'm going to record another video here in just a second that talks about how to put this piece of our interactive notebook together and what notes we're going to write about that. So this is video 1. That'll be video 2. I'll have a place for all those in Canvas so that you can come back and see what you need to see when you need to see it, all the little pieces. When we get done with that interactive notebook and we get the notes put in it, we'll come back to this PowerPoint presentation and we'll continue to move forward. So in Canvas, there's going to be a place where it's going to talk about the interactive notebook template for convection currents on Earth, and that video is going to talk about how to put that in your notebook. So I'll see you in a few minutes.